It's another day of van life, another day for adventure. This morning we're getting ready to head to another Florida State Park, and we're hoping to beat the rain that's in the forecast. Join us as we explore Lake Louisa State Park in Central Florida in search of beauty and wildlife, and share our van life experience along the way. A nice quiet morning this morning at Cracker Barrel. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and let's hit the road. Good morning, guys. We're here in Central Florida at Lake Louisa State Park. Our morning might not go as planned. The weather forecast had shown that it shouldn't rain in the morning, but it's already starting to rain. So our plans for the day may be changed a little bit. We'll see. We were going to have breakfast out here by the lake. I think we're going to have a quick breakfast in the van instead, but in case it doesn't stop raining later, I thought we'd take a quick little peek and actually see what the lake looks like. It'd be great if the rain would hold off and we could enjoy it a little bit today. There's a lot of birds here. Welcome to Steve and Audra's Gourmet Kitchen. Alright, well, since we've been hearing thunder, we're going to try to do a little walk. We saw a little trail entrance here. We don't know what's there, but we're going to check it out real quick before we get rained out, I think. Ready?
Yep.
Let's do it.
My kind of trail.
Easy. Nice. So I can hear the thunder and mosquitoes in my hair, around my head. Well, the state park seems to be pretty large. It was $5 to get in, but we have the state park pass, so it was free for us this morning. So even if we don't have a lot of time to walk around because of the weather, it's okay. It was $0 for us. So we're getting our morning walk in, which is nice. Thankfully the rain is holding off a little bit. We've heard some thunder, but hopefully it'll hold off for a little bit more as we do a little walk here. Well, I think we're gonna head back to the van. We didn't get too far. Oh, there's the thunder. You hear it? It's sprinkling on us. Whoa! Whoa!
Bet you didn't see me.
I didn't. Alright, we're gonna try another spot in the park because we really need to find restroom facilities. Where we just were, there were restrooms, but they were closed, unfortunately. So now we're on a new little search. Alright. This is kind of gross. There are sewer flies all over. Like everywhere. Even in the toilet.
These are the kind of toilets that make our 5-gallon bucket look like a throne.
All right. So that was pleasant.
That was not super pleasant, but it did the job. Pretty. Do this. I'll save you. Have no fear. Alright, so now we've got to rate the toilet facilities here. What's your official rating?
Oh, like I said before, it makes our 5-gallon bucket look like a throne.
You think so? I don't think that because I don't have to clean out the facilities here. But it's better than nothing. It's better than having to go out and dig a hole in the ground with those sewer flies. Did you have sewer flies in yours?
Yep.
They were gross. But at least it's not cockroaches. So I think I would give it an official rating of 2 vans. What do you think?
1.75.
So that comes out to 1.8 something. I can't do math. Anyway. I'm driving around to check things out. Here's the campground. Here are the better facilities for the campers, the registered campers. So it's definitely not our day for a state park. It's quite rainy now. What's your official review of the park, given the circumstances?
Well, to each their own, but I'm not impressed. Maybe it's a combination of everything going on. Overcast day, rainy, but I don't know. The park just seems vast. Stuff was closed. I don't know. Meh.
Now it's raining.
Some go juice for the human body.
On this rainy day.
It's actually a better deal than what I thought. It's $3 for a large.
Oh.
We got it for 99 American cents.
With our McDonald's app. I like to get the drinks with whipped cream, but they're usually more expensive. Steve reminded me. We have whipped cream in our fridge. So we're gonna doctor up this coffee. There we go. Well, that's hot. I guess it's good we're not hiking right now. We might just get a little bit wet. streets are even getting a little flooded. Hey, baby. What's the matter? You don't like the storm, huh? You don't like the storm? It's okay, baby. It's okay, baby.
We'll get us a flat patch of really sleep. Okay.
Alright, we're here at the library. Due to all this rain, a little bit of change of plans. We're gonna get some lunch, make it here in the van, and then get some work done. Ready to rock and roll? What are you doing, kitty? Does Daddy have you, huh? What are you doing?
I am not this cat's daddy.
Yes, you are.
Yummy, yummy. In my tummy.
It's kind of nice and cozy here in the van during the rain, isn't it? I like being in here in the rain. You don't see this at a library every day. My, what big teeth you have. Did you get a lot of work done?
A fair amount.
Did you get to go to recess now?
I guess.
Alright, I'll think about it. Alright, I guess it's time to move on to our next destination. So we're on our way to see some family members right now. Because the weather is crappy tonight, I think we're going to be leaving you here and picking up tomorrow when we get back on the road again.
Am I a fruit?
No.
Am I...
What about you didn't ask me for something to eat?
Yeah, something I eat?
Alright, so am I something sweet?
Yes.
Yes.
Am I a pencil?
Yes! Yay! Next time, we're off to explore another state park with a nice little surprise at the end. See you then!